asking confirmation lang po if indeed the Ombudsman filed 9 counts of graft against Congressman Noel Rivera of Tarlac.
Yes, we did.
Flood control cases
Yes,
po ba ito?
conflict of interest. May kasamang flood control.
Conflict of interest, sir, as to why? Meron ba siya?
Contractor.
Meron siyang sariling construction firm na nanalo ng
Contractor.
may government contract?
Contractor.
Okay, sir. Thank you po. Sir, yung next ko po, what can we expect from the Ombudsman now that the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee deferred all flood control investigations po sa inyong office?
It's really about time that it's given to us. All the evidence and all the statements are given to our office to do it. Ano yan meron na namang process na ginagawa to make sure that the ends of justice are met. And we're doing it. We're here every day. Kahit kahapon, walang pasok lahat, andito kami. Pumapasok kami, nagtrabaho kami.
Will this speed
You
up?
were here. I think you know that.
Will this speed up the filing of cases po before the Sandigan Bayan or any other lower courts? Yung kayo, since ombudsman na lang po yung mag-investigate, mas speed up po ba yung filing of cases?
Well, it was a big help when the Senate was giving us the evidence. But I think that we have learned our way through already. Ano na kami? We're almost 10 months in office. Almost 10 months na kami. By Monday? Ano ba ngayon? Monday ba? Oh, I was appointed 10 months ago on Monday. So that should be, by that time, our learning curve is there already. Natutunan na namin yung dapat matutunan dito. Sumandal. Malalaki likod dyan.
Sir, update lang po on the Ombudsman's bid to enlist former Public Works Chief Manny Bonoan as state witness. Tuloy po pa po ba yun?
We are still, he will be our witness and we will act on the proper time. We're not frustrated by that. It's okay. It's something that the court, in its exercise of discretion, may not grant to us immediately, but it will happen. Yes, ang kaya kami. Tsaka, he will still be a witness for us. He will cooperate with the government.
Sir, meaning regardless kung ma-discharge siya dun sa existing cases,
I think that's
pwede pa rin siyang
pwede pa rin
mag-witness
naman.
sa iba?
Hindi naman sa regardless. We still want him to be given a special status kasi nga, he's a cooperating witness. I think that it's very common in criminal law to have cooperating witnesses treated better than others.
Sir Camille po from TV5. Sir, balikan ko lang po yung kay Martin Romualdez. I believe, sir, na you mentioned na po before na isa rin po sa mga pinagbasehan para dun sa application po ng PHDO against Romualdez, yung naging affidavit nga po nitong 18.
Among others.
Among
others. I mean, that's not the only evidence that we have. Marami kami ibang ebidensya pa.
Pero sir, ano lang po yung assurance sa public? Kasi baka po isipin nila na, ayan na, nag-recant na yung iba, baka naman hindi na
Ang recantation is frowned upon by the courts. That is the way that the courts are supposed to treat recantations. Especially, ito nga, twice na nag-issue ng testimonies against Romualdez, itong mga to. Kaya, when we bring them up as hostile witnesses, makikita nyo naman Lalabas namin sila as hostile witnesses.
Sir, what will happen doon sa apat na since nag-recant sila, itong affidavit ay
They'll be
nandun ba
charged.
dito?
They'll be charged.
What charge, sir?
To be part of the, as part of the, we will do it as one of the accused.